My ankle is unbreakable. That's what every gym bro says right before they step on a slightly uneven surface and turn their foot into a compass. And then suddenly, they're walking like a pirate for 3 weeks, wondering what happened. Let me explain. Your ankle didn't randomly give out. It's been warning you for months. That little roll you keep ignoring? That's not bad luck. That's system failure. Your ankle is not just one joint. It's a network of bones, ligaments, and muscles working together to keep you upright. Think of it like a suspension bridge. Bones are the structure. Ligaments are the cables holding everything in place. Muscles are the guys actively stabilizing the bridge every time you move. Now here's the problem. Most people only train the moving muscles, not the stabilizing ones. So your ankle becomes strong in a straight line, but completely unstable the moment things get slightly off axis. Let's talk ligaments. Ligaments connect bone to bone. Their job is not to move you, but to stop you from moving too far. They're not elastic like muscles. They're more like seatbelts. And once they get overstretched, they don't just snap back stronger. They loosen. And that's where your problem starts. Because every time your ankle rolls even slightly, you're stretching those ligaments a little more. And your body notices this, so it does the only thing it can. It starts relying less on structure and more on muscle compensation, which sounds good, until you realize most people don't actually train those stabilizing muscles properly either. That's why it feels like your ankle just gives out. It's not giving out, it's improvising, badly. And here's the part nobody tells you. Once you roll your ankle once, your risk of doing it again goes way up. Not because you're unlucky, but because your system never fully resets. The stabilizers never fully wake up again unless you train them deliberately. So what actually fixes it? Not more ankle circles. Not more hoping it heals on its own. You need stability training. Slow, controlled balance work. Movements where your ankle has to constantly correct itself under load. Because that's what rebuilds control. Not strength in a straight line, but strength in chaos. Think of it like this. Right now, your ankle is a security guard asleep at the door. Balance training is the alarm system waking him up again. So if your ankle keeps rolling, it's not bad luck. It's not weak bones. It's not just how you're built. It's a stability system that never got rebuilt after the first failure. And if you ignore it, it doesn't get better. It just waits for the next uneven surface.